Yvonne here from the upside of downsizing. Welcome back. I just got done watering the plants outside. It's around 5:30 p.m. And everything looks so amazing, and I thought I have to show you how everything looks like right now. I'm so excited, and I'm so blown away how great everything is growing. Okay, making it short, let me show you how the greenhouse looks, and then afterwards we go to the outside. All right. Nice light in the evening too, right? Look at this. This is the center with all the tomatoes. And thank you so much for everybody who gave me advice on the leaf curl I had going on with my tomatoes on the beginning. And obviously it was the water. I didn't water it enough. Since then, I put them on the irrigation system so they get watered regularly, once a day, 15 minutes. And just the other day, I switched it over to twice a day since the temperatures are going up. Yeah, but as you can see, with the right amount of water, they look amazing. And they've been growing great. And so, thank you again. And look at here, couple tomatoes. Down here's a big one. Oh, it's not focusing. Oh, it's a jungle in here, but I'm not complaining. I love that. In between, you can barely see it, but here is my basil. Twice I made pesto already. Very good. I mean, fresh pesto, it's the best. Here in between, I have a eggplant. You can see this purple flower peeking through. That's actually a really, really pretty plant, but it's now all covered. Here, this beautiful plant going down here is a honeydew melon. Just love the leaves. And it's so cute holding on onto the fence here. You can see. Doing a great job. All right. Here in the back, nasturtium is getting bigger, more honeydew melon, and in the background you see are the cucumbers. I have 4 plants in total there, and they're actually, I had 2 tiny cucumbers already, and I see, a lot of flowers on there, as you can see, and I see a few small cucumbers forming. Very promising. And the beauty here in the corner is the teddy bear sunflower. I'm just amazed how many flower buds it got on here. Look at this, all the way around. Flowers everywhere. I was under the impression it's just only one big one, but no, it's even better. I'm not complaining again. Just impressed. And here what you can see is my lovage. This plant got huge too. Man, I love this. It's a very nice, fragrant herb. It's great on soups, great on a salad, great just, added like parsley on your sandwich. And it is from the parsley family. But also those herbs, all of them actually, if you start reading about it, they have a lot of health benefits. So it's great to have them and add them fresh to your dishes, and it just makes such a difference if you put fresh herbs on your meal. If you love this. And then here is the Hyssop, this kind of native lavender, and look at how beautiful it blooms. That's amazing. I have a few plants outside as well. They're very tiny still, but I hope by the summer they are looking like this. and all the butterflies and hummingbirds can be all over them. It's just gorgeous. Next to it, and now I'm in the shadow here, I have my parsley went to bloom. It's not focusing. Right. I love this. I love the look of those flowers. I have to get a new parsley after this, but that's okay. Here another tomato in here with some peas, and between these peas here and the ones I have outside, I have a small handful I can harvest almost every day, just so for snacking. This is a delicious lettuce. We had several salads already off of those. It's very tender and delicious. Another tomato, nasturtium here in between, bunch of flowers on this one also, another basil, another eggplant. And here is my kohlrabi. Let me show you. Oops. There we are. Beautiful. I had one already on a salad, and I can harvest this one here as well, the one I just showed you. I also started adding, start to eat the leaves. I put the bigger ones on my smoothie together with some kale, and the smaller ones actually I put on a salad. So if you like the taste of kale, you would like this too. Someone said you can eat it, and I was then researching about it, and that's true. And there are a lot of vitamins in it too. They say almost more than in the kohlrabi itself. So don't discard it. Make use out of it. And actually you can also eat the greenery from the carrots. I was surprised. Never done it before, but I will try it this year. So here, carrots, another beautiful nasturtium, and the daisy started flowering. It's just beautiful. I love this plant, or this flower. I know it's not a desert plant and you have to water it a lot, but sometimes you do things just because they are nice and beautiful. And that's fine too. Okay, then, let me go around here. On this side I have to start going through sideways. It's getting this tight. I just want to show you the size of those plants again. This is still going strong. I mean, that's the fennel. It's not really growing much on the bulb. I think it is too warm for it. I will try it in fall again, and then also put it in the bale. Here, still the kale going strong. And here, I don't know if you remember, I had spinach right over here, and over there I had the beets. Everything came to an end. I harvested all the beets, very delicious, fresh. Never thought about it, because I've never in the past liked beets, but I do now. And makes a difference if you grow it yourself and you can have it fresh. So here, these are beans. Also the first time I tried beans, and those are just 2.5 weeks old and already this big. Fast growers, really pretty. Yeah. Here I put some herbs in there, dill, cilantro, probably also too warm already because it starts to form a flower stalk here. So it's better in fall. Some bell peppers. Over here the arugula also stays very tiny this time. The time of year I planted it. In fall when I did the arugula, it was in a bale and it did much better. Either because it was colder or it was in a bale, I'm not sure. So here is the Swiss chard. Also still looking amazing. Gotta make a dish out of this here. Time to harvest some. Okay, let's go outside. Other thing I want to point out here for this summer garden, everything you see is growing from seeds this year. It's my first year trying this. In the past, I always bought plants. So, and I tried with this starting last fall. Yeah, a little bit last summer too, but really, I mean, this season I decided to not buy plants. I'm growing everything myself. And look at how successful this is. I mean, and if I can do this, and I'm really not a gardener, just starting out here, you can do it too. And the satisfaction out of, seeing the seeds grow and it becomes something like this, and you can harvest something from it, it's amazing. I love that. It's a great feeling. Here's the outside. Those sunflowers are doing very well too. I think this is the only one. This is going tall. And this one didn't go tall at all, but already has some flowers on it. This one also gets several flowers, as you can see. But in here, 2 tomato plants doing good. Lettuce is growing good. There's a little dill in here. It's coming. And then those here are those potatoes. They look fantastic. Just a couple of days ago they started with the flowers, looking really pretty and just big. Look at this. Here on the end, and look at those sunflowers. All the way around. Flower buds all over. I never thought, like I said earlier, that they would have so many flowers. But this is just amazing. And out here is the other daisy. This one I need to water a bit more than the one inside, but considering it is outside and in the sun almost for all day, it's looking really good. And look at all the flowers it's kind of getting. I'm impressed. So then the other bale, those are really little still. These are also sunflowers. Here some onions, and this is celery. It's now growing too. This salad, it's really great. It's called red sails, and it is nice and sturdy but still tender in the leaves, if this makes sense. It tastes really good. I really like it, and also it does well with the heat here, and so that's really good for us. And we had a few salads already off of those. Another potato. One never made it yet. Here's still the stick, but that's okay. Some onions there, doing well. Those peas are doing good too. And these are more onions, and they're outside here doing actually better than the one in the inside. Another beauty in this corner. Here is the other cucumber, and finally it starts growing. It took this cucumber a while to get started, but it's coming now. Out here I have this other hyssop. It's also getting bigger, and I can wait for this one to get those nice purple flowers on it, like the one in the inside. Would be great for the butterflies and hummingbirds to have something to enjoy. Then let's walk over here. It's my grapevine. This plant is doing very well. It's growing up and going into the fence here. It's pretty cool. down here, and I don't know if I can catch this for you to see. There are actually some grapes. Oh yeah, there. Grapes forming. Pretty cool. The other plant is still looking great. It's green. So it's not dying. It looks healthy, but it's just kind of, it's not growing as much as the other one. This kind of stays at the same level. I don't know what this plant needs to keep on growing, but I'm still happy because it's still alive. Okay. Here is Mother Nature with some beautiful flowers. Very pretty. And I think this is it for me right now. Oh, I can show you the oregano plant. Loves it out here too. The lemon balm is doing great. Another hyssop I planted there. On the end, look at this beautiful mesquite tree. I wish you could smell this. It's amazing. Alright, I see you next time. Thanks for watching.